And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right then, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery in a 2021 Mercedes Sprinter key fob. So basically this is the battery for the central locking. So the first thing we're going to do is press this little silver button here on the back and remove the key. Now you don't need to remove the key, but I like to get it out the way. Now what we're going to do is press the same button and this cover by here is going to slide off. So if we press that silver button down and slide the case away from the button, now you might need a bit of to get your nail in there to kind of push it down, and then you can see it just releases that cover. So we go ahead and remove that. Now if we look just on the side here, you'll see there's a little drawer which you can get a little screwdriver in. There you go, just like that. So we can get the flat head of a screwdriver in there and just kind of give it a pull out, and you can go ahead and remove that drawer. Now once we remove that drawer, we'll go ahead and flip it over, and you can see the battery there with the curved side facing up. So we're going to go ahead now and remove the battery out of the little drawer, and that's pretty much it. That's the battery removed. Now you can see on the back here, it's got a little number, and that number is 2032. So that's the battery obviously we need to replace. Now I will put the battery down in the description if you want to, obviously I'll put it down here with a link to get one. So yeah, go check that out if you want a link to find it. And there's the new one. So we'll go ahead now and open up the packet, get out the new battery and fit it. So like I said, it's got to be clipped in, obviously the curved side up, which is the positive side, oh sorry, the negative side, and then we're going to go ahead and slide that drawer back in, basically with this side of the drawer facing us, and clip it all the way in. There we go. Once we've done that, then we're going to slide the cover back on till it clicks into place. Just give it a nice little slide. You'll see it's on two little bits of rails there, so give it a firm push and it'll click in. And then we're going to go ahead and slide the key back in, and that's it guys. It's that simple. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.